The sun versus absolute zero. Who wins? This is the today's topic. Okay. This is today's topic. Topic is what? The sun versus absolute zero. Who wins? Who wins? This was used actually metaphorically. Okay. Actually, I am not going to differentiate between the two. Actually, who wins? Yes, if you think carefully about the sun and the absolute zero, then obviously you will find that the sun wins. Because just due to the presence of the sun, we exist on earth. Means the life processes become possible only due to the presence of the earth, not for the presence of or for the knowledge of absolute zero. This is known to you. Still, I find this topic to be interesting. Why interesting? Because extreme temperatures are involved in these two cases. If you think about the sun is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, and that is also known to you. And nuclear fusion reaction occurs at the core of the sun, and there is soar of temperatures as high as 15 million degrees Celsius. 15 million degrees Celsius. That much of temperature exists at the core of the sun. But the surface temperature is somewhat lower. It is only 5500 degrees Celsius at the surface of the sun. And you know that due to the presence of the sun, life processes on earth have become possible. Means life can sustain the living organisms only due to the presence of sun. Okay. On other planets, I still don't know anything. Yes, scientists are making their investigations to know if life is there or not. But it is, nothing can be said with certainty till now. Anyway, I am not going to talk about other planets or other objects revolving around the sun. Okay. Here we are going to make comparison between the sun and the absolute zero. So I have already mentioned something about sun, and that was already known to you, I know. And what is absolute zero? You know absolute zero, it is equal to 0 Kelvin, or in terms of degrees Celsius, it is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. And in terms of Fahrenheit, it is minus 459.67 degrees Fahrenheit. Theoretically, reaching to 0 Kelvin means absolute zero is possible. Theoretically it is possible, but practically it is unattainable due to the presence of third law of thermodynamics. And I think this is also known to you. Okay, theoretically it is possible, but practically unattainable. Reach to the temperature of 0 Kelvin. But at present, scientists have been able to reach billionth of a degree Celsius near to the absolute zero, that is 0 Kelvin. Means the difference between the zero and the lowest temperature attained by the scientist is equal to almost 1 billionth of a degree Celsius. Okay. So this is no doubt the lowest temperature attained by the scientist, which is very close to 0 Kelvin. Yes, so many technologies are there where nearly zero temperatures, such as superconductors, you know. For superconductors, temperatures near 0 Kelvin is required, And scientists have become able to reach to that temperature. They have become able to make technologies using superconductors, etc. Okay, I am not going into the details of those things. But reaching to absolute zero, it is very important to enhance our knowledge about the thermodynamics. You know the subject thermodynamics, and one more subject is there which is more puzzling subject known as quantum mechanics, and I think that is also known to you. So for the study of thermodynamics and for the study of quantum mechanics, at absolute zero, what happens with the atoms and with the atomic and subatomic particles? This is very fascinating. Okay, and if you can know all those things in details, maybe you can devise new technologies using those knowledge. So, if you know, you can do those things. If you know details about the particles at absolute zero, you can do many things. That is another thing, but due to the presence of sun, we are here. I am delivering my lecture right now due to the presence of sun. Means, till now we have known that life processes are possible only due to the presence of such stars, otherwise not. This is till now people's knowledge. Okay. If any other thing is there due to which life can become possible, that is not known to anybody. Okay. Anyway, so the main theme was to discuss the extreme temperatures. So, at the core of the sun, temperature is 15 million degrees Celsius. And you know that at absolute zero, this is known to you. I am not going to talk in details. I am not going to discuss in details all those things that at absolute zero, thermal energy becomes zero. Motion of the particles ceases. But if you study quantum mechanics, then you will observe that, or you will see that actually motion of the particles do not cease. Motions of the particle do not cease. You will find quantum fluctuations. Okay, due to the principle, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Due to the presence of that Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, complete rest or complete cessation of motion is not possible. Even at absolute zero, there will be some motion, and due to those motion fluctuations are there. Okay, but that fluctuation is very small. You cannot easily guess those things. That fluctuation is very small, and scientists are trying to harness energy from that fluctuation also. Though that amount of energy involved in all those cases means nearly 0 Kelvin temperature, are very small. Still, to devise new technologies, those things may be required in future. Anyway, so this was all about the comparison between the sun and absolute zero. Okay. Anyway, so this is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.